The Canary Jail Umbrella or CJU antenna is an ultra-compact directional 70 cm, that is 435 MHz UHF antenna designed specifically for low Earth orbit amateur satellite communications. Created in 2006 by Spanish amateur radio operator Echo Alpha 4 Charlie Yankee Quebec, it gained widespread popularity in the satellite community for delivering high sensitivity and directivity in a pocket-sized form factor. The whimsical name comes directly from the makeshift household materials Echo Alpha 4 Charlie Yankee Quebec used to build the original prototype. His father, Echo Alpha 4 Alpha Bravo Victor, suggested using a non-conductive plastic perch salvaged from a pet canary cage as the antenna boom. Echo Alpha 4 Charlie Yankee Quebec recovered steel ribs from a discarded broken umbrella found in a trash bin to fashion the driven and reflector elements. When he tested the prototype with fellow satellite enthusiast Echo Bravo 4 Delta Kilo Alpha, the comical origin led Echo Bravo 4 Delta Kilo Alpha to christen it the Canary Jail Umbrella antenna. The CJU is a modified two-element parasitic array optimized for UHF satellite downlink reception. Rectangular driven element or radiator. A closed rectangular wire loop approximately 230 mm wide by 107 mm high, bent from 2 mm steel rod. It functions similarly to an oblong quad loop, exhibiting a feed point impedance near 50 ohms without requiring complex matching steps, gamma matches or balance. Linear reflector. A straight rod approximately 338 mm long, positioned approximately 50 mm behind the driven element to provide forward directivity and ray attenuation. Integrated connector. The base of the non-metallic boom attaches directly to a BNC plug via a short internal jumper like RG223 or RG58, enabling the antenna to mount straight onto a handheld transceiver. Here are the details. Band 70 cm amateur